introducing one new product. We have a combination of three boards in this. The very inside the board you can see it's IFP panel. It's a 65 inches IFP panel. Along with this IFP panel, what we have introduced here is a whiteboard. You can see, and this whiteboard performs two functions. One is your whiteboard and another one is the protection to your IFP panel. You can see this kind of board is come when you close it. So this is the protection to your IFP panel. Now you can see on this side we have green board. So you can see you have at a time two whiteboard, two green board. This is we can customize also. If you want complete four whiteboards, we can provide you that. If you want complete green board, we can provide you that also along with the pin board if you want, or vice versa. It is depends upon the requirement of the customer. So here this new product have three things all together. One is your IFP panel, which is protected with a white panel.